Hey guys, just wanted to give you an update why I haven't posted any new upgrade videos in a while. It's not because I didn't want to, it's because my truck's been in the shop. I had an error. It's not showing right now, of course, when I wanted to show you guys. It was just up here a few minutes ago. But anyway, the error is the side detection, so that amber light that's supposed to light when someone's in your blind spot. The sensor is bad, and I'll show you why in just a second. So this has been in the shop for the last 12 days, and let me go show you. So this is what caused the problem. You can see all this condensation in here. I noticed this shortly after I bought the truck. Actually, one of my buddies pointed it out because I was so excited I didn't look that close. But he was like, man, you might have them look at that. And then sure enough, about a week later, here's the blind spot radar right here. So it's built into this unit. And I started throwing those errors. And I was on a long road trip, and it kept going off like every 5 minutes. It would show this lane departure assist error and cross traffic detection error, and it was really annoying. So yeah, they have to replace this unit. They had this for 12 days at the dealer, and the part's still not here. They said they were ordering it from Atlanta, Georgia to Raleigh, North Carolina. So I don't know why it would take 12 days, but they said it's supposed to come in tomorrow, which is Good Friday, and they're closed. So I'm gonna bring it back to them next week and have them install it, and hopefully that'll clear out that error and I won't have that again. So stay tuned for some really exciting upgrades in the next few videos.